In this video, we will guide you through how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Before we begin, make sure you have both Claude Desktop and Roblox Studio installed on your computer and that you have also signed in on both. Now open Roblox Studio and either create a new experience or open an existing project. Once your project is open, just go ahead and click on the AI Assistant icon at the top right, and then this particular option will appear. Just go ahead and click on the three dot for it, and then here click on manage MCP servers. From here you will see an option labeled as setup instruction. Just go ahead and click on the drop down for it, and then here just go ahead and click on copy on JSON configuration file. So just go ahead and click on copy and it will be successfully copied. After that, just go ahead and open your Claude code and then go to the top left corner and then click on the three horizontal line and go to file and go to settings. After that, just go ahead and go to the developer section and then choose to click on edit config. Now a file will be highlighted. So basically just go ahead and right click on it and then here choose to open with notepad, and it will be successfully opened inside of notepad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select all by pressing Ctrl A and press Ctrl V key on my keyboard to paste the JSON configuration file that you copied earlier from Roblox Studio and go to file and here click on save. After that, you can just go ahead and close this. Now you can just close your Claude code and then now go to the system tray, and from here also right click on your Claude code and choose to quit. After that, make sure you toggle on Claude desktop here just like so, and then now just go ahead and open your Claude code once again, and now just go ahead and type connect to Roblox Studio and just send it. After that, just click on always allow. After a few seconds, Claude will confirm that it is connected to your current Roblox Studio project, and that's how you can connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio.